might be, you have traction going up the hill. Oh, you got front wheel drive. Drive backwards.
Oh, Jesus. So we're picking up a console from Michael in like Northeast Van. This gentleman has got one. The roads are super wide here, which is great. We're in the minivan, so we'll see what happens here. So this is gonna be outside. You guys selling consoles?
6 of them.
How's it going? Just gonna make sure to run into anything. Okay, where's the console?
Inside the house.
Okay, cool. This is a nice part of town.
I bought it off a guy that actually just deals in this stuff.
Yeah. Ooh, that's nice.
Okay, look.
Did you get it redone?
No, this is a reproduction.
It's not
Original. It's a reproduction.
Oh, okay. Still nice.
But it's as close to the original, original parts group. See, no blemishes.
Oh yeah, she's perfect.
Still got that. This is the guy got it. That's the guy. You ever have dash things?
Okay.
It's an old fellow. That's all he ever did. I just wanted you to see it properly.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna send this to Mike right now. You want to say something to Mike?
The price just went up.
Yeah, my shipping, my transport fee.
Wait till you see my car. I'll send you a picture of my car.
Okay, great. Okay, so I'm just taking it like that.
No, you wrap it up.
I can have your.
Yeah, that's why there's no scratches on it.
Okay, good, because
He wants it that nice too.
I'm about to put a Viper engine in my minivan there. You think it'll handle it? 700 pounds. I mean, if you put 5 people in there, it's a minivan. That's 1,000 pounds. No.
Put a turbo on it.
No, I mean I'm gonna put it in the back of the truck to transport it. You think that's fine, right?
700 pounds.
750, yeah.
You might be. You have traction going up the hill. Oh, you got front wheel drive. Drive backwards.
Oh Jesus! I don't like that reaction. You're a trucker, so that means you know what you're talking about.
You gotta take a picture for Mike here.
Okay, cool.
Just show him a nice picture of that.
Oh, you have more lights in here or no? Oh, what year is this? Like a 65?
6.
Oh, these are my favorite.
Same here.
These are sweet, man.
Hang on, I'll pop the door open. Let's see, like.
Yeah, GTOs are cool. I like these square ones, not the 69.
I have the GTO. It's in the shop.
What's this?
66 Chevelle.
Oh, this is a Chevelle. Oh my God, what am I talking about? See? That's what Mike says. He just like, after 6 years of doing TV show, I just still don't know nothing. Where's the GTO? Not here.
Feel like that.
Is this like all original? Or is it
It's getting worked on.
like this? Like this is like
Old school look.
yes. Cool.
4-speed.
And what's in it? 350?
454.
Oh, you got that, Nice.
It's a 138 car too.
What's that mean?
Just tell him it's a 138 car. He knows exactly what that means.
Okay, I'll tell him.
It's a real SS car.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. It's original.
No, it's a real SS car.
Yeah, the VIN, is it matching too?
Yeah. But you can put an SS badge on it. It could be a 136 car.
No, you mean a clone?
Yeah.
Yes, of
Right
course.
there.
No, I get that. That I know.
Okay.
But I'm saying, is the numbers matching?
No, it's not numbers matching.
Okay. Cool. Thank you for the tour
Yeah.
and backtracking me half hour through traffic.
I didn't know where you're going. You might want to take your parking.
Oh yeah, Jesus. So nice to meet you. I wasn't gonna leave without it, or was I?
Oh, we'll be at the Penticton show.
Oh yeah, I'm not sure what our schedule is yet. When's that?
June.
Oh, I don't. We're
Penticton and the Vernon show. I'll
The
be
what?
at the Penticton show and the Vernon show.
with both cars.
No, just the GTO.
Okay.
I'll have that orange crush will be up there.
Okay, nice. Okay, thanks, man.
Nice meeting
Appreciate
you.
it. Nice meeting you. Take care, guys. Whose truck's this?
Mine.
Yours? What much you want for it?
Mike doesn't have enough.
No, I need one to put the Viper motor in on the frame because I'm going to put the 56 Jeep Willys on it.
I've had this truck since brand new, man.
Oh my God, you're never going to sell that.
No.
That's nice.
30 years I've had it.
Cool. Okay, man.
Yeah.
Cheers, guys. Thanks. Back to the minivan. Just a skeleton. No, it's a car part, and it's not a body. Unless you know something about these guys on the corner that I don't know.
Yeah, right.
They are car guys. Have a good one. Oh, you know them. Oh my God. That's too funny. See you later.